when you're putting the solder on, put quite a bit on, as the more that is there bonding the screw and the rails, the better it's going to hold. But you don't want to have too much even still. That's probably about enough. And then we do on the other track as well. I generally do just the outside rails, although you can do the inside rails as well if you want to give it a bit more strength. But try to put a little less on the inside rail, that way it won't foul any of the wheels. Once ballast and everything is added to that, you'll hardly know it's there, and it's a good strong connection. You're not going to have any problems with alignment of track once you've done that.